Hi YouTube, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play and I'm Rachel. Welcome back. So now I'm gonna use the Nuwave air fryer, my new friend. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. And we're gonna cook French fries that I put some salt and pepper on and a little oil, and home fries to go with your omelet or whatever you want to do with it. It can go with your dinner or whatever, okay? So I'm gonna put them in now, all right? Okay, the French fries are in. Oh, those are gonna be great. And the home fries. So just so you know, I put some olive oil on the French fries, but I did not put it on the home fries so that you can see the difference, okay? All right, we're gonna cook that now. We're gonna put it in. We're gonna set the time. I'm gonna clear. Turn it on again. And then I'm gonna press, I want it on 360. It's already preheated, so I don't have to worry about that. And then I'm gonna set the time, and we're gonna start the time at 10 minutes, and then we're gonna take a look in 5 minutes, okay? Here we go. Great. Welcome back, YouTube. This is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I decided to have a brand, and my brand is, of course, you know, Grandma Ray Don't Play. That's gonna be my brand, so you know, let everybody know that. So when I talk about the brand, you'll know what I'm talking about. The brand is gonna be all of my recipes and all of the things that I bring to you to make your life easier. Okay, so now I want to cook pizza. This pizza fits in the Nuwave air fryer that I have going on now. I have something else in there, so we're gonna just let that finish cooking. And I bought this pizza dough from the Dollar Tree. It costs $1, so you get 2 pizza doughs in here for $1. How about that? Now that's cutting your costs way down. Okay, so we're gonna prepare the pizza now. All right, so let's start. So the first thing I want to do is I want to spray the pizza. So the dough is nice and soft. Now I want to add the sauce. My sauce, the only thing I added in my sauce is some Parmesan cheese. All right, I like the Parmesan cheese, and I want to add, one second, some Italian seasoning in it, okay, to give it some herb and flavor. So I added about 2 teaspoons of that. We're gonna mix it up. You don't want to go all the way to the edge. You just want to have like a rim around it so that you can see the pizza bread, okay? About like that. You can push it out as much as you like, but leaves something to the imagination. You think you can do this? Oh yeah, this is a good one to do with your children because they like pizza and it's kind of easy for them so that they can learn how to cook. Okay, so we have the sauce on. Now we're gonna add the cheese. This is mozzarella cheese, and let me show you the bag. I bought this big bag for $5.99. And then I bagged it up in portions, okay? I'll break the portions down in a little bit. But I just wanted to show you that. Okay, so now we're gonna put the cheese on here. Try not to put it on the edge if you can. Okay. Now you can put pepperoni. You know, when you cook like ground beef, you know, maybe you had some spaghetti or something, save a little bit in a plastic bag and then put it in the freezer. And then when you make your pizza, you can just pull out these little bags of meat, chicken, ground beef, whatever you have, and put it on the pizza. That way, it's not costing you any more money and it's no waste. Okay, so one, I'm gonna put the spinach on. Of course, healthy, right? Why not? Darius, would you like anything else on the pizza besides the spinach? I have peppers and onions.
Sausage.
Sausage? I don't have any sausages made, but I probably can put ground beef on there. Would you like that?
Is it already cooked?
It is. It's in the freezer like I just talked about. All I gotta do is put it in the microwave in 1 minute and I can have it on this pizza. Would you like that?
Okay.
Okay. All right. And this one you're gonna have just cheese?
Yes.
Okay.
That one's some spinach too.
Well, we don't need two for spinach, do we? You want spinach on it?
I like spinach on my pizza.
Okay. I'm gonna put spinach on it. So you're gonna have one with just cheese and spinach, and one with
sausage.
No, brown hamburger. Remember, I don't have any sausage right now. Look, we're operating on a budget. Okay? You're trying to make me have something I don't have. I don't think so, buddy. Okay, so I have to get the ground beef and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, I have the ground beef. Now, this was frozen in the freezer, just waiting on a pizza or something to be used. So here we go, okay? So I'm gonna add it on top of here, because I don't have any pepperoni today, no sausage that Darius wanted, none of that. Okay. And you can see I even have some left over. So we're gonna put this in. First I have to, I'll be back. Let me just clean my mess up. Hi YouTube, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm back. Okay, so we made the pizza, remember? Let's get a shot of the pizza, Darius. And now we're gonna cook the pizza. So the pizza should cook in 6 minutes. All right, so I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna set the timer. We want the temperature on 360, and we wanna set the time for 6 minutes, and we'll take a look, okay? I'm gonna do it now. Oh, that's not good. Okay, so I pushed the time button in, and it went to 360 first, and then I pushed it in a second time, and it showed 10 minutes, and I reduced it down to 6 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna let that cook and check that out in 6 minutes. Thanks. Okay, so we're back. The 6 minutes on the pizza just stopped. You see it says end. So let's take a look, shall we? Oh, wow. What do you think, Darius?
Oh, it looks nice. It's beautiful.
You want to eat that?
Yeah. How you going to take it out?
Okay, we're going to see how I'm going to get it out. I'm going to get it out, trust me. All right. Now that'll work. Oh, that will work. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks great.
Looks good? Mm-hmm. Okay, so let me tell you how much the pizza costs. I got my notes here. pizza. The dough was 2 for $1, remember, at Dollar Tree. Did you get that brand, Darius? Show them that. Camellos. And the sauce costs $1 for the can. I only used less than a half a can. And the cheese was around $1. So the whole pizza is about $3. We're not going to count the hamburger because that was left over from another meal that I had frozen in the freezer. Okay, so there you go. You can get an individual sized pizza for $3. And remember, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play. Don't forget to like, hit that bell so you can be notified, and subscribe. Oh, you gotta do this with the kids. They'll love it. Okay, bye.